To put your Walmart app in store mode, start by opening the Walmart app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, locate the Services tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to a new page with various services offered by Walmart. Scroll down and select the option that says Store Mode or Store Associate Mode. If you are unable to find this option, you may need to tap on the More tab and then select Store Mode from the list of available options. Once you have selected Store Mode, you will be prompted to enter your Walmart identification number and password. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized Walmart employees can access Store Mode. After entering your credentials, you will be granted access to Store Mode, which provides a range of features and tools designed specifically for Walmart employees. These may include inventory management, pricing and inventory updates, and other tasks related to store operations. To get the most out of Store Mode, familiarize yourself with the various features and tools available. This may include scanning barcodes to update inventory levels, accessing product information, and performing other tasks related to your role as a Walmart employee. Best practices for using Store Mode include ensuring that you are using the latest version of the app, keeping your device charged and connected to the internet, and following all security protocols to protect sensitive store data. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Store Mode to perform your job duties as a Walmart employee and provide excellent service to customers. Remember to always follow company policies and procedures when using Store Mode and to report any issues or concerns to your supervisor or the Walmart IT department.